It says 3 raised power x dot 3 raised power x dot 3 raised power x equal to 162. We're going to solve for the value of values of x in this equation, okay? Now, first thing we can do here is to say dot here simply means multiplication. So we can multiply out this. So we have 3 raised power x multiplied by, okay, so I'll use a 3 raised multiply. 3 raised power x multiplied by 3 raised power x is equal to 162. Now, when you have multiplication, just like when you have a raised power m dot a raised power n, it is equal to a raised power m plus n, okay? So here is multiplication. Now, doing the same thing here, we're going to have 3 raised power x, which is 3 raised power 3x, okay, to be equal to 162. On the other hand, 162 now can be written as, so we have 3 raised power 3x to be equal to 162 can be written as 81 times 2, which is 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2, okay, and this is 162. Now, this just we can say, let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we take the logarithm of 3 raised power 3x, and this becomes equal to logarithm of 3 raised power 4 multiplied by 2, okay? This is together. Moving on from here, we can now say that this logarithm we are taking, let's take it in the base of the number carrying x. So the number carrying x is 3, so we are taking the logarithm in base 3 of both sides, okay? So when you have this, when you have logarithm of a raised power b, it's equal to b multiplied by logarithm of a. Applying this law here, we now have 2x multiplied by log 3 base 3 is equal to, now we have logarithm in base 3 of, first number is 3 raised to power 4, now we have plus logarithm in base 3 of 2, okay, so we splitted this log. Now from here we say logarithm of m to base m is equal to 1. Applying this law here, we now have logarithm of 3 to base 3 is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x. To be equal to 4 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 3 again is 1. Plus logarithm of 2 to base 3. Okay? Now we now have that our x now becomes equal to 4 over 2 plus logarithm of 2 to base 3 over 2. And this becomes equal to 4 over 2 is 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 3. And this becomes the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching.